Hi, welcome to this database tutorial of Introduction to Bloomsbury Visual Arts. This tutorial will explain what Bloomsbury Visual Arts is and key features of the database. Bloomsbury Visual Arts is a platform that aims to inspire you with information and design ideas in a range of topics. Disciplines covered include design and illustration, fashion and textiles, photography, architecture and interiors, film and media. You can explore key content from your discipline, featured content, and covers topics from basic terms all the way through to career advice. To access Bloomsbury Visual Arts, visit the library website at holmesglen.edu.au/library. Scroll down and click on Online Resources and then click on the Databases box. To find Bloomsbury Visual Arts from the Databases page, use the letters above the list to select the letter B. Once you have selected the letter B, click on the title Bloomsbury Visual Arts. The library's online resources can be accessed anywhere, anytime. Before being taken directly to an e-resource, you may be prompted to log in using your Holmesglen email address and password. This is the home page of Bloomsbury Visual Arts. To navigate the database, the menu items are available for you to click on and find valuable content. The Explore By allows you to find content specifically related to your area of study. Collections shows you featured topics and other various resources useful to each subject area. Content Types allows you to search available ebooks published by Bloomsbury and provides teaching and learning resources for students and teachers to use. In the top right-hand corner of the page, if you have created a personal account, you can sign in or you can create an account. So let's see how to create an account. To create an account, click on the link on the top right-hand side of the page and click on Sign Up Now. Fill in the form with all the required information and then click on Register. Signing up for an account is free and allows you to save book chapters and images from the database. Back on the home page, you can scroll down the page to find that you have a couple of different options to explore what Bloomsbury has to offer. The first way is to explore by collection. This will take you to the Bloomsbury Applied Visual Arts collection. The home page also gives you the option to explore by subject. You can select the tile for your subject and select the category of the subject you wish to explore, and it will take you to all the resources available for that category. From the menu bar option at the top of the page, the Explore By option allows you to view all content by subject area, for example, design and fashion. You will then be able to narrow down further by clicking on the category you want to explore in further detail. Once you select your category, you can use the filters on the left-hand side to change the content in the results. Explore By also allows you to view content by the time period, place, schools, movement and styles, themes, and you can also select the part of the world you want the content from by using the world map. The Collections option from the menu bar gives you access to several Bloomsbury Applied Visual Arts ebooks that are always updated. To access these ebooks, click on Collections and then click on Bloomsbury Applied Visual Arts. You can select your subject area and select topics starting with the basic concepts right through to more in-depth content. You can also view featured ebooks that highlight topics for all subject areas. When you want to view the ebook, click on the title and then you can navigate through using the table of contents. The table of contents is clickable, so you can go to the chapter and information you are looking for straight away. While browsing the ebook, there are 4 functions that you can use: save, print, share, and citation. Save allows you to save a chapter for viewing later. However, to save a chapter, you must have a personal account and be logged into the account. You can print the chapter you are currently using by clicking on the Print button. If you want to share the book or chapter with someone else, click on the Share button and fill in the details with the person you want to share with. If you click Citation, it will give you a citation in the APA format. It is advised to check the citation against the current APA referencing style guide to ensure that the citation is correct. Under the Content Types option from the menu bar, there is an option to view different teaching and learning resources. This has been designed for both teachers and students and includes subject guides for each area, bibliographic guides with lists of multiple books, lesson plans for teachers to use in the classroom using the Bloomsbury content, and other useful resources. The library has created a database help guide to help you navigate Bloomsbury Visual Arts. It has tips and tricks for navigating the platform to make your research easier. Visit holmesglen.libguides.com/Bloomsbury Visual Arts. For further assistance, please get in contact with us here at the library. You can give us a call on 9564 1621, send an email to infodesk@holmesglen.edu.au, or chat to us online at holmesglen.libanswers.com.